Hi farms, and welcome back to the Tech. In this video, we'll be going over how to add a custom currency to WooCommerce on your WordPress website. Now, this is especially useful when your currency is not listed as part of default ones on WooCommerce. You can simply customize the currency symbol for your online shop. If you look at this website, on its product page, you can see I have implemented the custom currency already. This is exactly what I'll be showing you in this video. Just before we proceed, I'd implore you to kindly like and share the video and also subscribe to the channel. Alright, so let's just go into the video and see how we can implement the custom currency. So to proceed, we will be inserting a snippet or lines of code to our website, and for that we'll be making use of a plugin. So you'd want to proceed to the menu pane on the left here, and then over on plugins and click on add new plugin. Then from the WordPress repository, you'd want to search for old snippet. We're going to be using the first one here by ShareBunch. Just go ahead and click on install. You should see install right here, and then click on activate. In my case, I have the plugin installed and activated, so I'll just proceed to show you how to insert the code into the plugin. So next we come back to the menu. You can see snippets right here. This is for the plugin, so just go ahead and click on add new. Alright, so the next thing is to copy the code and paste it in here. I'm going to be leaving a link in the description below for you to get the snippet so that you can have it pasted here. So we have inserted a snippet, and the next thing is to give our plugin a name. So we're going to make a few edits to the snippet so it can start working on our side. So the first one is on line 9 of our code. So here we want to impute the name of our currency. So the next edit we're going to be making is on line 17. That's right here. So here we're going to be inserting the symbol of our currency. You can as well impute a symbol in there, and once you are done, you can just go ahead and save changes and activate. Alright, so a snippet has been created and activated on the site. Alright, so once you have added the snippet, we come to our snippet, and here is the custom WooCommerce currency that we just added. So we want to have this toggled on so it becomes active on our site. You can also see a couple of other options. You can make edits to your code, you can clone the code, you can have it exported, and you can have it deleted. So once the plugin is activated, the next thing is to proceed to WooCommerce right here, and then click on settings. Then we scroll down to currency options, and from the drop down you'd want to search for your currency. You can search for your currency by its name and then select the currency right there. And once that has been done, you can go ahead to save your changes. So that way you have successfully added a custom currency site-wide on your WooCommerce website. So we're just going to go to the store page to check if that has been effected across all product pages. Alright guys, so you can see that all the products now have a custom pricing. Let's go to the home page to confirm that as well. Alright, so all products now get a custom pricing based on what we imputed. So guys, there you have it. That's how to go about adding a custom currency to your WooCommerce website on WordPress. I hope that's a useful one for you. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly like and share, and also subscribe to the channel.